Hey, what's up? I'm Victor Smith. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this error you usually get while linking a US bank account to PayPal. Either you are using a virtual account provided by Payoneer, Grey.co, or whichever platform. This is an error you will likely get when linking your bank account. So how do you fix this? Let's dive in. Before anything, if you are linking a Payoneer account, check to see that the account you have is a community savings bank account. You must make sure that you are having a community savings bank account. If it is not a community savings bank account, then go to your Payoneer dashboard. Click on these three dots on your US bank account and go to receiving accounts. Click on view details. Scroll down scroll down. Then click on solution guide. So right away it says I am unable to use my receiving account with PayPal, Stripe or other platform or other payment providers. So you click on this and also click on next. So on the next page you'll be asked to provide why you need to link your account to PayPal. Then you provide all the necessary information. Then you'll be given a community savings bank account almost instantly. Try to link your new bank account to your PayPal and that should solve the issue. If you are still getting this issue, then you have to contact customer care. Click contact us. Then click on message center. Click on create a new message. So you'll be chat with the PayPal bot, send hello. So you wait for the bot to respond and then click on no, I need more help. It will ask you if you want to speak to a customer agent. You just enter yes. So your message will be sent to a customer agent. Okay, let me show you my chat with a customer agent. Since I'm not trying to fix this error here now, let me just show you my chat with a customer agent. So this is the way I actually solve my own issue. Here I describe my issue. I said I can't link my US bank account to PayPal. Then I said it keeps saying this account needs a little help to link it. So what I actually did was I just copied the error I was receiving and placed it here. So just come to this place, copy the error and replace it here. Then after about an hour, I received a message from an agent and he asked if I still have access to my phone number. I said yes, and he sent a confirmation code to me, which I replied the code back and the issue was fixed. So I could link my US virtual account. I linked both my Payoneer account and my Grey account to PayPal and I did not receive the error again. If you follow this process, you'll be able to fix the issue. So all you just have to do is just contact customer care, speak with an agent and they will help you fix the issue. They only have to verify if you're actually the owner of that account. That is for this video. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.